Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. This is for class 12th. Today's topic is linear magnification. What is linear magnification? What is the importance of linear magnification? Why we are finding the linear magnification in case of concave or convex mirror? First of all, we will try to make definition. It is defined as the ratio of the height of the image. Suppose height of image is written as h2 to the height of an object. That means magnification, it is usually denoted by m can be written as height of image divided by height of object. Height of image is h2 divided by h1. Here, if you look towards the diagram, this is for the concave mirror. This is an object. This is the height of the object h1 ab. This is the height of the object. Ray of light falling it passes through principal focus. Another ray of light passes the center of curvature. This becomes image. I have already discussed it. This height is h1. This height is h2. This ray, another ray of light passing through pole. It touches the image at this point. Pole. We know that all distance are measured from the pole when we move against the direction of light. Suppose object is here. When we try to measure this distance, this is the distance. Object distance. Height. Please remember, object height is AB, object distance is PA. Height is AB above the principal axis. Distance is PA. This is object distance from the pole. Height means go above the principal axis. This is object distance means from the pole of the mirror. Height means above the principal axis. This is height above the principal axis. You know that all distance are measured from the pole. When we move against the direction of light, they are taken as negative. But you will also remember this is the principal axis. When object is lying above the principal axis, its height is taken as positive. When it lies below the principal axis, its value of height is negative. This is the sign convention. You have to remember. When we try to find out the magnification, you know it is the ratio of image. That means image means go a dash b dash divided by ab. Suppose since in this, when we look towards the figure, since triangle a dash a dash a dash b dash p a dash b dash p, this is similar triangle. A dash b dash p is similar triangle abp. I will show you again. In a dash b dash p is similar abp. When triangles are similar, the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. A dash b dash p, that means a dash b dash, and we take this side a dash b, it is corresponding is ab divided by ab is equal. I can take this side a dash p divided by its corresponding side is a dash p, its corresponding side is ap. A dash p, its corresponding side is ap, that by ap. When we use sign conventions, using sign convention, a dash p a dash b, it is the image height. But whether it is taken as positive or negative, height means below, above the principal axis, below the, but it is down the principal axis. When height is down the principal axis, its value is negative. That means I can take a dash b dash is equal to minus h2. Here a dash b dash is equal to minus h2. Why minus? Because it is lying below the principal axis. Height is lying below the principal axis. AB, it is h1, but it is above the principal axis. It is plus h1. A dash p, what is a dash p? It is the image distance. But we are moving distance. Image distance is from the pole. This we are moving against the direction of light. Its value is minus v. AP, it is the object distance. The object distance is u. That is we are moving against that is minus u. When we substitute in the above equation, a dash b dash minus h2 divided by ab, that is h1, is equal to a dash p minus v divided by minus u. Minus minus cancel. Ultimately we get h2 divided by h1 is equal to this 9 negative is multiplying both sides by negative side, we get minus v by u. This is the magnification in terms of v and u. That means magnification can be also written as minus v by u. It is not necessary we can write height of the image divided by height of the, it is also equal to negative sign of object image distance divided by object distance. Image distance means we are measuring distance from the pole. Similarly, we can prove in this when we talk about the convex mirror. Again, we can make similar triangle A dash B dash P, similar triangle ABP. When triangles are similar, you know that the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. We can take side A dash B dash divided by A dash B dash divided by AB is equal to PA. This PA divided by, this is sorry, PA dash divided by PA. अगेन मैं आपको फिर दिखाऊंगा A डैश B डैश डिवाइड बाई AB इज इक्वल टू PA डैश डिवाइड बाई PA using sign conventions. When we use modern sign convention, we know that when we again use the modern sign conventions, we know that A dash B dash, it is what is this? It is the image height, but it is above the principal axis. You will see above the principal axis. Above the principal axis is its value is positive. When it is height is above the principal axis, its value is always positive. That means A dash B dash is equal to plus H2 above the principal axis. Height I have taken as H2. AB is equal to plus H1 if it is above the principal axis. Now PA dash, we are moving again, not against right, we are moving along the direction right. It is image is PA, we are moving in this direction, not we are moving in this direction. With PA dash we are moving in the direction of light. That means its value is positive. PA dash is equal to image distance is taken as V, but it is plus V. I hope you have got it. Now PA, it is object distance, we are moving against the direction, it is U PA, but it is equal to minus U. When we substitute in the above equation, I can get all are positive except U. PA के जगह मैं minus U लिखूँ. That means H2 divided by H1 is equal to V bata minus U. Ultimately we get minus V by U. In case of convex mirror or concave mirror, a linear magnification can be also written as in terms of object distance and image distance. That means it can be also written as minus V by U. That means what is the importance of this? हम ये क्यों निकाल रहे हैं? मैग्निफिकेशन का क्या रोल है? मैग्निफिकेशन का एक important role है. Now you should remember this. Role of the magnification is, for your knowledge you should remember, if it is valid for both concave as well as convex mirrors magnification. If modulus of m is greater than 1, modulus means को अगर magnification का value निकला -3, modulus of m means को it is taken as positive 3. If modulus of m is greater than 1, अगर इसका value 1 से ज़्यादा आ गया, the image is magnified, the image form is larger than the image is magnified means go the image is very great, image is greater than the object, the image is magnified means it is when you say it is magnified, that means it is greater than the object. If modulus of m is less than 1, modulus means अगर इसका value m का value भी -2 भी आ गया, modulus means we have taken a positive value. If modulus of m is less than 1, the image is diminished, it should go very small than that of an object. Then m is greater than 1, the image is large, magnified, it is very large as compared to the object. इसका मतलब ये जो ऑब्जेक्ट की ऑब्जेक्ट फॉर्मेशन है, इमेज उससे बड़ी बनती है. अगर m इज़ वेरी लेस, जो इमेज की हाइट है, इमेज उससे बहुत छोटी बनती है. इफ m इज इक्वल टू 1, modulus of m is equal to 1, it is the image or the size of image is that of the size of image is that of object. अगर मॉडल्स ऑफ एम ए के बराबर हो गया, जो साइज ऑफ इमेज है वो साइज ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट का है, जितना ऑब्जेक्ट बड़ा दिखेगा इतनी इमेज भी बड़ी दिखेगी. नाउ दिस इज फॉर स्मॉल इमेज की तीन किस्में बन सकती है, या छोटी बन सकती है, या बड़ी बन सकती है, या बराबर बन सकती है. दिस इज द केस. इफ मॉडल्स ऑफ एम इज ग्रेटर देन 1 द इमेज इज मैग्नीफाइड. Image if modulus of m is less than 1 the image is diminished. If modulus of m is 1 the size of image is that of object. Now हमें ये दिखाना है. दूसरी बात ये है, इमेज अबो द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस बनेगी या बिलो द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस बनेगी. एक तो ये छोटी बड़ी है, दूसरी इमेज ये है जो इमेज ऊपर बनेगी या नीचे बनेगी, वर्चुअल बनेगी, इरेक्ट बनेगी, रियल बनेगी, इन्वर्टेड बनेगी. जो ये इमेज है, जो ये इमेज है, this image is called real and inverted. This image is called real and inverted image. This is called virtual and erect image. Inverted image है जो लाइन के नीचे ही बनती है, ये दिस उल्टा है. ये इरेक्ट इमेज, दिस कॉल्ड इरेक्ट इमेज. ये कैसे हमें पता चलता है इमेज कैसे बनती है, क्योंकि जो भी हम यहाँ लेते हैं वी आर टेकिंग ओनली द रे डायग्राम. नाउ इफ m इज पॉजिटिव, इसका मॉडल्स में ये मतलब है गया, अगर ये नेगेटिव भी निकलेगा हमें पॉजिटिव लेना है. अगर -2 मॉडल्स ऑफ m मीन को 2 फॉर दैट. अगर ये m इज पॉजिटिव, अगर ये पॉजिटिव निकल गया, अब पूरा पॉजिटिव ही निकल गया, if m is positive the image is virtual and erect. The image is virtual and erect. इसका मतलब है if m is positive image virtual and erect. Virtual it is made above the principal axis. इसी को हम ये this is called virtual and erect. This image is called this a dash. It is virtual and erect. If m is negative, अगर ये नेगेटिव, अगर वैल्यू ऑफ m is negative that means the image is real. इसको मतलब है real and inverted. यहाँ कन्फ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए. ये मॉडल्स ऑफ एम है. अगर मैग्निफिकेशन का वैल्यू नेगेटिव भी निकल गया, हमें मॉडल्स लेना है. मॉडल्स मीन्स को इट साइन इज ओमिटेड. अगर -3 भी निकल गया वी कैन टेक इट 3. ये हमें पता चलता है इससे कि इमेज बड़ी बनती है या छोटी बनती है, या साइज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट के बराबर बनती है. मगर अगर हम पर ओवरऑल वैल्यू जो m का वैल्यू निकलेगा, सपोज अगर m का वैल्यू निकलेगा -1 मॉडल्स ऑफ m इज 1 दैट इज इसका ये बताता है इमेज द साइज ऑफ इमेज साइज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. मगर ये नहीं बताता है ये लाइन के ऊपर बनती है, लाइन के नीचे बनती है. हाँ, ये नेगेटिव साइन इंडिकेटर्स दैट इट इज रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड. यहाँ नेगेटिव साइन का रोल चलता है. नेगेटिव साइन इंडिकेटर, पॉजिटिव साइन इंडिकेटर्स द इमेज इज वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट. इफ m इज कॉल्ड एक, अगर m ग्रेटर देन 1 इसका मतलब हो गया द इमेज इज मैग्नीफाइड. इफ इट इज लेस देन 1 इट इज डिमिनिश्ड. इफ इट इज इक्वल टू 1 द साइज ऑफ इमेज इज साइज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. इसमें साइन का रोल नहीं चलता है, वेदर द इमेज इज लार्ज स्मॉल और इसमें साइन का रोल चलता है. साइन का रोल इसमें चलता है जब ये नेगेटिव होता है तो ये वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट होता है. दिस इज वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट. दिस इमेज इज वर्चुअल एंड, अगर ये नेगेटिव होता है इट इज कॉल्ड रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड. दिस इज द रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड इमेज. I hope you have got this. We can do tomorrow the different case when object is placed from infinity to between the pole and f. इसका मतलब क्या होता है, इससे ये पता चलता है उसमें मैग्निफिकेशन का रोल चलता है. मैग्निफिकेशन हमें ये बताता है इमेज छोटी बनती है, बड़ी बनती है, या साइज या ऑब्जेक्ट के साइज के, या इमेज जो इमेज बनती है ऑब्जेक्ट के साइज के बराबर है नहीं बनती है. और ये भी पता चलता है कि ये ऊपर बनती है, नीचे बनती है, और कहाँ पे बनती है वो कौन पता है, वो हमें मिरर फार्मूला पता है. सपोज ऑब्जेक्ट इज इन्फिनिट यू से इमेज फॉर्मुलेट फोकस. कैसे बनते हैं, इट टेल्स अस मिरर फार्मूला, बिकॉज मिरर फार्मूला गिव्स द रिलेशन बिटवीन 1/u + 1/v = 1/f. इट गिव्स द रिलेशन बिटवीन ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस, इमेज डिस्टेंस एंड फोकल लेंथ. It will be discussed, all the 6 cases will be discussed in the next class. We can make use of mirror formula and magnification. Mirror formula will tell us where the image will be formed. वेदर इट इज़ फॉर फोकस बिटवीन एफ एंड सी, वो तो डिफरेंट केस है। और मैग्नीफिकेशन ये हमें मैग्नीफिकेशन से ये हमें पता चलेगा इमेज छोटी बनेगी बड़ी बनेगी इक्वल टू साइज ऑफ द, या लाइन के ऊपर बनेगी या लाइन के नीचे बनेगी। दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्लास। थैंक यू वेरी मच, होप यू आर गॉट इट।